What's up, guys? It's Luis back at it with another unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing another pair from StockX. Yes, that's where I'm getting my shoes recently. And I believe these are another Air Jordan 1. Addicted to that Air Jordan 1, you can say. Yep, I believe I am. And I believe these are the Storm Blues. Kentucky colorway, aka. Back in the old years. OG years. I think these were one of the pairs that came out in 1985 or something like that. Get that box, that shit out of here. I get that Nike, typical Air Jordan 1, nothing special on this one. You can totally tell it's just normal. The Nike brand everywhere, you know how they go. They're addicted of their Nikes. Tag, Air Jordan 1 High OG White Storm Blue 160. Can't remember what I paid for these. Oh, here we'll go. StockX. I see on the card no one cares about. Throw that shit away. I got these for 166. So basically retail. These actually sold out online. They're sitting in some stores, but it was in between. Like they sold out online, all their pairs, every online store, but at retail stores there were some in some places. But these started looking really fly actually. I guess the stickers hella gay. Let's get right into the shoe. Looks like I didn't get any paper for some fucking weird reason. Usually it should have a paper tissue. Oh, this leather is it's pretty good actually. It's pretty soft. Only the toe box right now. Oh shoot, my bad. The medial side is not that great. Upper side, not that great. Just stiff leather. Other side, not that great. Alright, that toe box though. That toe box is soft as a motherfucker. No inserts. You got that white mesh tongue. Nike Air on top. Look at that. Oh my god. That toe box is so beautiful. You got extra laces. Storm blue. Yeah, that's stupid. No one cares about it. Inside, you get your white insole with a Nike Air Storm blue. Tag right there if you want to know. Pretty nice shoe actually. I really like it. Storm blue on the bottom, obviously. Yeah, this toe box is really soft. It's like the Royals. I would say it's softer than the Royals. Softer than the UNC ones. Maybe bread, close to bread. This is the same thing. Just the toe box. Imagine if this was all around the shoe. Oh my god. That'd be amazing. Same thing. Stiff leather though. That toe box, like, really nice. Medial side, same thing. Same thing as the other one. Inside is gray. Yeah. Some blue color. Really nice shoes. I really like the toe box are really soft. Basic shoe. Let's see, let's give it a lighting right here. Set up the fucking camera. See. 360 real fast for you guys. Looking really nice. Actually, I believe this month they're dropping the Royal ones. Like this, all this is gonna be Royal and it's gonna be white. So basically this shoe, but just different shade of blue, Royal blue, what do you want to call it. I think the swoosh is black though, so that's the only difference. So basically a reverse Chicago colorway almost. But yeah, that's what's dropping next month. Looking really nice. Or a little bit more gold. Really like the shoe. These toe blocks are really soft. Give that closer look. But the rest of the shoe is just bland. Not soft at all. Maybe if you wear it more, just softens it up. But we'll see over time. Really nice colorway. I really like it. But yeah, I'll be heading my way out, boys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.